Bear down, Monday night, prime time. I'm not in the sanctuary of satisfaction. Windy and it's cold and I'm not dealing with that noise. Let me show you guys how we get down on these meatball subs here. Bag of frozen meatballs, marinara sauce. Cut the middle out of the buns, put some cheese. I hate whenever my peppers fall off of my sandwiches. Pepperochinis inside the bread. Some Campfire candy, candied jalapenos, and onions. 4 meatballs per bun. Make sure that you are balls deep in those buns. Always a good time to get sauced. Mozzarella cheese. Can't go wrong with a large amount of cheese. Meatball subs. Toss it in here. Fries here, Carne Sutra. Amped up salt, pepper, and garlic Parmesan. Season up these fries. There's your Parmesan and your Carne Sutra. The bears. Oven is at 425 degrees. I'm TD. This is TD's Brew and Barbecue. Sorry, I'm not in my natural habitat. This is where my kids cook. The Bears are gonna come back. They're gonna beat the Pats. This is where the Bears turn it around and Fields comes back and starts taking the cake. Bear down. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week, every week, halftime of the Bears show.